Good morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to read a new chapter of Unit 1 from our Marigold book of Class 4. The chapter name is Neha's Alarm Clock. Narrator.
Narrator.
Ring, ring, ring.
Ring, ring, ring.
Off goes the alarm clock at 6 in the morning.
Off goes the alarm clock at 6 in the morning.
Neha makes a face
Neha makes a face
and covering her ears with a pillow,
and covering her ears with a pillow,
snuggles under the warm blanket.
snuggles under the warm blanket.
But she knows
But she knows
she has to get up.
she has to get up.
She mutters to herself,
She mutters to herself,
Neha,
Neha,
this alarm clock always rings at 6
this alarm clock always rings at 6
and pulls me out of the bed.
and pulls me out of the bed.
It's so unfair.
It's so unfair.
Oh,
Oh,
how I would love to sleep
how I would love to sleep
a little longer in the morning.
a little longer in the morning.
I wish this clock would forget
I wish this clock would forget
its job sometimes.
its job sometimes.
Narrator,
Narrator.
something falls.
Something falls.
Neha smiles.
Neha smiles.
Neha,
Neha.
oh,
Oh,
my clock has fallen.
my clock has fallen.
How happy I am.
How happy I am.
Tomorrow I can get up late.
Tomorrow I can get up late.
Narrator,
Narrator.
next morning there is no alarm.
Next morning there is no alarm.
So Neha sleeps and sleeps.
So Neha sleeps and sleeps.
The small chirpy birds
The small chirpy birds
which come to the window sill every morning
which come to the windowsill every morning
find Neha still sleeping.
find Neha still sleeping.
Birds,
Birds.
wake up dear, wake up fast.
Wake up dear, wake up fast.
Narrator,
Narrator.
Neha gets up with a start.
Neha gets up with a start.
Neha,
Neha.
oh no,
Oh no.
if it's not the alarm clock,
If it's not the alarm clock,
it's these birds.
it's these birds.
Why don't they leave me alone?
Why don't they leave me alone?
Narrator,
Narrator.
even this wish of Neha's come true.
Even this wish of Neha's comes true.
The next morning,
The next morning,
there is not only no alarm clock,
there is not only no alarm clock,
there are no birds either,
there are no birds either.
but there is someone else
But there is someone else
who does not want her to miss the school bus.
who does not want her to miss the school bus.
Can you guess who it is?
Can you guess who it is?
The big bright sun.
The big bright sun.
He fills Neha's room with a warm smile.
He fills Neha's room with his warm smile.
Neha,
Neha.
oh my eyes.
Oh, my eyes.
Now it's the sun waking me up.
Now it's the sun waking me up.
Why can't he let me be?
Why can't he let me be?
Narrator,
Narrator.
even this wish of Neha's come true.
Even this wish of Neha's comes true.
Next morning,
Next morning,
the sun is behind the clouds.
the sun is behind the clouds.
So,
So,
Neha snores
Neha snores
till she hears her mother's voice.
till she hears her mother's voice.
Mother,
Mother,
wake up, sleepyhead.
wake up, sleepyhead.
You will miss the bus.
You will miss the birds.
Neha,
Neha.
oh no.
Oh no.
Why does mother have to wake me up?
Why does mother have to wake me up?
Narrator,
Narrator.
there is no escape now.
There is no escape now.
Neha gets up
Neha gets up
and gets ready.
and gets ready.
Can you imagine what happens the next day?
Can you imagine what happens the next day?
Neha wakes up with a start.
Neha wakes up with a start.
Her watch says
Her watch says
it is 6 o'clock.
it is 6 o'clock.
She calls out to her mother.
She calls out to her mother.
Neha,
Neha.
Ma,
Ma.
who woke me up today?
Who woke me up today?
Narrator,
Narrator.
mother smiles.
Mother smiles.
Mother,
Mother.
who else?
Who else?
You.
You.
Of course.
Of course.
Neha.
Neha.
But
But
I was sleeping.
I was sleeping.
How could I?
How could I?
Mother,
Mother.
now tell me,
Now tell me.
why do you eat your lunch every day?
Why do you eat your lunch every day?
At 1 in the afternoon?
At 1 in the afternoon?
Neha,
Neha.
I feel hungry.
I feel hungry.
Mother,
Mother.
why do you sleep at 9 every night?
Why do you sleep at 9 every night?
Neha,
Neha,
because I feel sleepy.
because I feel sleepy.
Mother,
Mother,
there is a clock inside you
there is a clock inside you
which tells you when to eat,
which tells you when to eat,
when to sleep,
when to sleep,
and when to wake up.
and when to wake up.
Neha,
Neha,
oh,
oh,
oh, I better rush now.
I better rush now.
I don't want to miss the bus.
I don't want to miss the bus.
Mother,
Mother,
relax.
relax.
Today is Sunday.
Today is Sunday.
Neha,
Neha,
oh,
oh,
oh. Adapted from Neha's alarm clock
adapted from Neha's alarm clock
by Girija Rani Asthana.
by Girija Rani Asthana.
New words,
New words,
snuggles,
snuggles,
mutters,
mutters,
windowsill,
windowsill,
relax.
relax.
Reading is fun.
Reading is fun.
Tick the correct answer.
Pick the correct answer.
1.
1.
What time
What time
did Neha's clock ring every morning?
did Neha's clock ring every morning?
A.
A.
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock.
B.
B.
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
C.
C.
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
2.
2.
What did the bird say?
What did the bird say?
A.
A.
Sleep on.
Sleep on.
B.
B.
Wake up.
Wake up.
C.
C.
Go and play.
Go and play.
3.
3.
What is inside you
What is inside you
that makes you get up
that makes you get up
at the same time
at the same time
every day?
every day?
A.
A.
Our body clock.
Our body clock.
B.
B.
Our eyes.
Our eyes.
C.
C.
Our feet.
Our feet.
4.
4.
Put the letters in the right order.
Put the letters in the right order.
One has been done for you.
One has been done for you.
ILESM.
ILESM.
Smile.
Smile.
MRALA.
MRALA.
Blank.
Blank.
OCKLC.
OCKLC.
Blank.
Blank.
NORMING.
NORMING.
Blank.
Blank.
EDORNS.
EDORNS.
Blank.
Blank.
WODWIN.
WODWIN.
Blank.
Blank.
Let's listen and talk.
Let's listen and talk.
1.
1.
Listen to the sounds around you
Listen to the sounds around you
when you are on your way to school.
when you are on your way to school.
Discuss with your friend
Discuss with your friends
the sound that you heard.
the sounds that you heard.
List them here.
List them here.
Sounds you heard.
Sounds you heard.
Blank.
Blank.
Sounds your friend heard.
Sounds your friend heard.
Blank.
Blank.
2.
2.
If there is no clock in the house
If there is no clock in the house
to wake you in the morning,
to wake you in the morning,
how will you wake up?
how will you wake up?
Will you continue to sleep or
Will you continue to sleep or
blank?
blank?
3.
3.
What are the different ways
What are the different ways
of knowing the time during the day?
of knowing the time during the day?
Word building.
Word building.
Find the hidden words.
Find the hidden words.
Mother,
Mother,
birds,
birds,
clock,
clock,
alarm,
alarm,
happy,
happy,
morning,
morning,
holiday,
holiday,
hungry,
hungry,
Sunday.
Sunday.
Say aloud.
See aloud.
Ought,
Ought.
what,
Bought.
caught,
Caught.
matter,
Matter.
chatter,
Chatter.
satter,
Shatter.
tick tock,
Tick tock.
tell told,
Tell told.
train time,
Train time.
tick tack,
Tick tack.
tip tin,
Tip tin.
take tall.
Take tall.
Let's write.
Let's write.
1.
1.
Who said these words and to whom?
Who said these words and to whom?
Wake up dear, wake up fast.
Wake up dear, wake up fast.
Who said
Who said
blank?
blank?
To whom?
To whom?
Blank.
Blank.
Ma.
Ma.
Who woke me up today?
Who woke me up today?
Who said
Who said
blank?
blank?
To whom?
To whom?
Blank.
Blank.
Why do you sleep at 9 every night?
Why do you sleep at 9 every night?
Who said
Who said
blank?
blank?
To whom?
To whom?
Blank.
Blank.
2.
2.
Use the help box to fill in the blanks.
Use the help box to fill in the blanks.
Help box.
Help box.
Was.
Was.
Were.
Were.
A.
A.
Ram.
Ram.
Blank.
Blank.
A good football player.
A good football player.
B.
B.
The cows.
The cows.
Blank.
Blank.
Grazing in the field.
Grazing in the field.
C.
C.
My toys.
My toys.
Blank.
Blank.
Broken.
Broken.
D.
D.
Her frock.
Her frock.
Blank.
Blank.
Too long.
Too long.
E.
E.
The market.
The market.
Blank.
Blank.
Closed.
Closed.
F.
F.
The children.
The children.
Blank.
Blank.
Happy.
Happy.
G.
G.
The flowers.
The flowers.
Blank.
Blank.
Kept in a vase.
Kept in a vase.
3.
3.
Look at the pictures below
Look at the pictures below
and complete the following paragraph.
and complete the following paragraph.
You will need these words.
You will need these words.
Pulled out.
Pulled out.
Inside.
Inside.
Called out.
Called out.
Behind.
Behind.
Under.
Under.
Yesterday,
Yesterday,
I lost a book.
I lost a book.
I looked for it everywhere.
I looked for it everywhere.
I looked.
I looked.
Blank.
Blank.
A door.
A door.
I looked.
I looked.
Blank.
Blank.
A cupboard.
A cupboard.
I looked.
I looked.
Blank.
Blank.
A bed.
A bed.
I could not find it anywhere.
I could not find it anywhere.
Then
Then
I blank.
Blank.
Seru.
Sheru.
Seru.
Sheru.
My dog came running to me.
My dog came running to me.
I asked him to look for my book.
I asked him to look for my book.
He
He
blank.
blank.
Another book from my bag.
Another book from my bag.
Fun time.
Fun time.
Here is a word.
Here is a word.
Clock.
Clock.
Write down words relating to clock.
Write down words relating to clock.
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 Make a sentence.
Make a sentence.
Sound.
Sound.
Another word.
Another word.
Name different parts or times.
Name different parts or times.
Word in your language.
Word in your language.
Picture.
Picture.
Here is a word.
Here is a word.
Morning.
Morning.
Now write down words related to it.
Now write down words related to it.
Morning.
Morning.